Hi, I'm Lou Anella, the director of the Botanic Garden at Oklahoma State University. We wanted to let you know that the Tree Walk Village is complete. We wrote 2 different grants for this project. They are recreational trails grants that we got through the Oklahoma Department of Tourism. And the last phase included this slide. And so the slide allows children to do the Tree Walk Village in a loop. And that makes it so much more fun. In addition to the grants, we also had some private donors give to this project. Lynn Miller, OnQ and the Griffith family, and the Payne County Audubon Society all contributed to this project. You might ask, why are we interested in having something like this at the Botanic Garden? Well, we have an ulterior motive. We have wonderful careers in horticulture and landscape architecture, but not enough students going into those careers. Not enough students going into those majors. So if we can have something like this that will be fun for children at the Botanic Garden, perhaps we can convince them that a career in horticulture and landscape architecture might be for them. And so that's our ulterior motive. So please come and visit, bring the family, have some fun, and maybe think about a career in horticulture and landscape architecture.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.